Hey, what's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer with Bachelorette Vegas.com. So I'm standing here, guys, today in front of Scotch 80 Prime, okay? Right behind me over here. And if you don't guys know about Scotch 80 Prime, this was the old number 9 steakhouse back in the day when Ghostbar was here at the Palms. I was standing at the Palms, and it was a really popular steakhouse. There was one in Chicago. I think there was maybe one in Miami, kind of Ghostbar, and the 9 steakhouse were like synonymous with each other. Okay, well now, Ghostbar's back open, but number 9 steakhouse is now called Scotch 80 Prime. And it's a really good steakhouse, and they have obviously nice filet cuts and, you know, T-bones and, you know, what do you call those? Tomahawks, the big ones with the bones and stuff. They got all that. And they put together a fantastic bachelor and bachelorette menus for us. They're very reasonably priced for a high-end steakhouse out here in Vegas. And we can combine that with all kinds of different stuff in our packages, including Ghostbar and including the Chippendales right across the street over here at the Rio for the ladies. We got lots of different packages. So if you guys want a fantastic steakhouse, okay, consider coming out over here to Scotch Prime. Click on the link below on the website. That'll show you a lot of our different packages. We're constantly adding and updating and putting more stuff in. But we're really excited to get over here and have a fantastic steakhouse inside the Palms at a very nice upscale hotel. Very well done. This place was completely remodeled about 5 years ago. And it's going to be a big seller for us. We've already sold several packages, and we're really excited to work with them. So if you have any questions about Scotch 80 Prime, hit me up, 773-459-8133. That's my cell. If you guys like bringing me, like me bringing you the good content about the good new places that we're offering and a lot of the cool places in Las Vegas here, make sure you like this video and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel for more. And go ahead and bang that notifications bell to be notified about my next video. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, signing out here from Scotch 80 Prime inside the brand new Palms, and looking forward to doing a lot of business with this place upcoming. Talk soon.